Hey my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mercy here. So today's video, we have decided to power wash this house. So our home is made of the vinyl material, and every now and then, like 2 times a year, we have to power wash. So mostly we do it in spring and fall. So spring is March, and before we get to November, because after November it's extremely cold. You can't be outside here power washing, and before March it's still cold. So when it starts getting warmer, we clean. So here is our power washing machine. I think we got this from Lowe's for about 200 something. So this is where you put your soap. So I'm starting the process, and then when my husband gets home, he will finish up the high places that I can reach. So this is the multi-purpose cleaner that we use. So you dilute it in water and it goes a long way. And this is the one for cleaning the concrete. Sometimes the surface changes color, like this one. You see it's changed color. So once we are done power washing the house, we're gonna clean this whole surface with this whatever it's called, concrete and driveway cleaner. So for us, we try to do most of these jobs DIY because it's expensive, of course, to hire someone, and we want to make sure we maintain the house. So all you need to do is connect your power washing to our source of water. This is our source of water. I already turned on the faucet on, and then plug your power washer to the source of power. And we're gonna start by putting out water in the house, then add our soap, and then we'll clean it off. So it's very dirty. On the other side of the house, there's a little bit of mold growing. It's kind of starting to turn green, so you don't want that on your vinyl material. Maybe on my next home, when I get lots of money, we'll build a brick home. But even the brick, you still have to do some maintenance here and there, but it's not like the vinyl. So this is how we do it. I'll turn on the washer and it's gonna make noise, so you just be watching the action take place. Now we go ahead and put in our soap thingy. I don't know what it's called, but we use this when we want to lather. So once it's wet, we'll go ahead and now we go back and clean where we started. This one is turbo and is a very high power. We are done. The house is clean. I feel so good that we've been able to accomplish this cleaning. Now when the holidays come, we are all set. See, it looks as good as new. You can think we just bought the home, but before that it had a lot of mold, and I feel like we've done a beautiful job. I'm so proud of us because we do lots of DIY projects. Come, I show you what my husband is doing on this other side. So the sidewalk was really bad. So we already cleaned this side. I'll show you how it looks before cleaning. You see how black it is? Yeah, that's still mold growing there, and that's the after. Yeah, so when you're a homeowner, you just have to learn how to do these things for yourself. Otherwise, your money is gonna do the work for you.